I'm Wenell. I work for Meridian Manufacturing. Upcoming for 2020 this year will be our seed tender line and kind of some expansions, new models for us. Behind me is the 405 seed tender. This is our biggest seed tender to date. Makes a planting season go much quicker when you have a unit like this. Helps get seed from your boxes, your bags, into the planter and into your field much quicker. So lately we've been struggling a lot with short planting times and tough years. A unit like this will really help get that grain in the ground and help your yields increase as you get corn in the ground that much sooner. Meridian's a company that we understand that there's farm types of every shape, size, and commodity. Our tender varieties will go anywhere from a small 2 Pro Box seed tender or a 110 unit seed tender clear up to the 405 you see behind me. So we have many steps in between that for any size of farmer. And within that range, we're sure we have a product for you. Going forward in the next planting season, we really hope that you consider Meridian as a partner for you in the field to help get your guys' job done faster. Visit meridianmfg.com for more information on our entire product line.